Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we're going to take one of these dollar store napkin holders and upscale it into a couple of unique one-of-a-kind glam home decor pieces. We will need a few of these silver napkin rings, which come in a pack of 6. We will also be using several of these silver paper straws and a couple of packs of these acrylic diamond-shaped gems. And as per most of my craft projects, we will also need our handy dandy glue gun. My glue gun was purchased from Amazon. First, we are going to stand up one napkin holder and then take a few moments to test out the placement of the silver straws. You can either choose to center them vertically, or you can do what I will be doing by placing the straws 2 inches above the top of the napkin holder. You will also want to test out how far apart to place the straws from each other. The important thing is to make sure you leave just enough of a gap between each straw so you can place the gems in between them. Further, when I place the gems in between the straws, I will leave no gap between each gem. If you don't have enough gems though, you could opt to leave a small gap between each gem and it will still look just as pretty. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. And here is what the napkin holder looks like so far. And once you finish placing the gems in between all the straws, this is the final look. Look how absolutely gorgeous it is. And if you reach inside, you can place a small battery-operated LED puck light. And now you have a gorgeous crystal table lamp that will add a beautiful glow to any living room or bedroom. Alternatively, replace the puck light and insert a bunch of long stem flowers, and now you have a glam crystal vase. Who would ever have guessed that this vase was made from a single dollar store napkin holder? For our next decor piece, we will take another napkin holder and build some legs by gluing two acrylic gems to the side of the napkin holder, one on each side. Before you apply the hot glue, I would advise to test out the positioning of the gems to make sure that the napkin holder will lie vertically flat on a table surface. Once you are satisfied, add a dollop of hot glue and adhere each gem into place. Next, continue to add gems to the napkin holder. Here you can see I'm adding a pair of gems all the way down the length of the bottom of the napkin holder. Then take a few silver napkin rings and using some small dollops of hot glue, adhere them together so they are stacked vertically one on top of each other. This is what the napkin holder looks like now with all of the jewels. The final step is to adhere the stacked napkin rings to the inside of the napkin holder. A little bit of hot glue on the napkin holder where the napkin rings won't make contact should suffice. And here is the final look for our second decor piece. This is a unique, one-of-a-kind flower holder that only takes a couple of dollar stores and a few minutes to make. Yet it is so elegant and will look beautiful on any table in your house. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, hit the notification bell and check out these next videos for more ideas on how to upscale and glam up your napkin holders.